This is Katora Lake. Hidden in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, a silent, magical lake. Amidst the mountains, nature's beauty, that doesn't fit in a picture, only touches the heart. Look at how the water is flowing. As if a message is descending from the sky to the earth. There is a noise in the silence, and a peace in the noise. This is me, crossing the bridge. The blue water of the lake below. And in my heart, one thought. May these moments be captured forever. Descending from the height of the mountain. And below, a glimpse of paradise was waiting for me. This bridge of Katora Lake is not just a path. It's a feeling. As if you're entering the embrace of nature. This scene, where the water flows rapidly, is the moment when you realize that nature's power can also be beautiful. We spent only an hour and a half here. But it felt like time had stopped. The cool breeze, the sunlight, and the weather that touches your soul. These moments became a part of life that can never be forgotten. Sometimes, we don't see a place. That place sees us. Katora Lake is one such place that leaves a mark on the heart of everyone who comes. In the midst of these mountains, a person forgets themselves and finds nature. No noise, no crowd. Only silence, which speaks to everything. These moments can be captured in a camera. But the feeling that settles in your heart here, only those who have been here can understand. When I was crossing this bridge, the water was flowing below, and the wind was touching my face. It felt like time had stopped. And it was just me, and this lake. This lake is a story. An old, silent, and very deep one. It tells something new every time, if you are willing to listen. In this journey, we didn't change geography. We changed ourselves. Found a new peace that can't be expressed in words. As we descended further, the surface of the water and its blueness increased. And the heart kept saying, I wish this view would never end. We spent only an hour and a half here. But every moment became a part of life. Whenever I close my eyes, I still feel the cool breeze of Katora Lake. ***. Hope that captures the magic of your original writing. Would you like any adjustments or additions to the translation? You said. Ye thek hyas sai bizida kubsurat alfaz or h. ChatGPT said. Agar aap shahain to izari thoda or kubsurat or poetic banaya ja sakta hai. Mine kuch alfaz or jumle thoda baitar taraik se shayari jaisa likna ki koshish karta hoon, jisa zayada purasra or dilchasp banaya ja sake. This is Katora Lake. Hidden deep in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, a silent, magical lake. Tucked between the mountains, nature's beauty, that can't be captured in a photograph, only felt by the heart. Watch how the water flows. As if a message from the heavens is descending towards the earth. In the silence, there's a subtle hum, and even in the noise, a serene stillness. Here I am, crossing the bridge. Beneath me, the lake's sapphire waters. And in my heart, one thought. May these moments be frozen in time, never to fade away. Descending from the mountain's height. And below, a paradise awaited, quietly unfolding.